I've been dreaming of this lifestyle for a long time. I had a vision of driving into the horizon to pursue intense whitewater, the beauty of the wild, and memories that would last a lifetime. I knew there was more beyond the familiar grind of life on the East Coast, so I left. Accompanying me on this trip is my good friend Sam, and together we set out to tackle the unknown. Tallest mountain in the Rockies. We were in love with the simplicity of life on the road, and after 2 solid weeks traveling through Colorado and Wyoming, we set our sights towards Idaho.
Yes, wow. Still give me the remedy, the fire figure burn. I said the tables burn. Give me the remedy, the fire figure blaze. Burn Babylon, dirty way. Special eternal fire. Dirty Babylon, you are gonna get bruised. Me, I want them fire. I said they just can't win, you're going to lose. We are want them. I beg you back up and go. Me said the movement alive. Marcus said we organize and centralize. Rasta fi own banks and enterprise. So me nah stop chanting, my soul enter Zion. Princes of fire, Babylon me tell you your time just expire. What kind of wickedness me or you transpire? I know gasoline and a tire. Eternal fire. Dirty Babylon, you are gonna get bruised. Me I want them fire. I said they just can't win, you're going to lose.
Just run lower best out as you feel, Sam.
I beg you, Papa,
Alright, kind of landed didn't understand.
I tell you back up and down. When them a go with yaki and saltfish, better them give me yaki and garlic. That's right. Pass me the map and a compass on ya. Make me show them say saltfish no come from on ya. The fish they come a far away. They bring him all the way from Norway. Hey, I could the rest of them a try fit it, cause that can't be me national dish a eternal fire. And dirty Babylon you a go get bruised. Me a want them fire. I said they just can't win, you go and lose. Chronicle I want them move, yeah. I beg you back up and go. Me a tell you I beg you quick, back up and go. Tell me why every time you hear about Africa a shackles and chains. Tell me why you try to corrupt the little Rasta man brain. And if you tell the youth them to Africa exists long before the nigga passes. Me come to tell you get a youth them for wise because Babylon a brainwash the masses a fire. The dirty Babylon you a go get bruised. We a want them fire. I said they just can't win, you go and lose. And we a want them. I tell you pack up and go. Me a beg you move. I said we pack up and go. Why yo? Why yeah? Why yo?
Every aspect of our lifestyle was centered around the river. During our stay in Idaho, we met all the locals in town and were adopted into a close-knit river community, which made for one of the best weeks of our lives. Time goes on, and soon Sam had to fly back to school. As Sam and I parted ways, my trip became a solo mission. I drove deep into British Columbia and experienced some of the most remote wilderness and best kayaking of my life. British Columbia went better than I could have hoped for. Words can't describe how good it feels to live out most of my kayaking dreams in one trip. Before settling down, I made one more lap around the Northwest to see friends from the summer and check off a few more things from the bucket list.
Or do something cool.
Like how cool, like really cool, or like water is cool. Looking a lot less like it's gonna rain tonight.
Yeah, it's always nice to not get rained on when it's actually probably gonna snow.
Unfulfilled dreams and unfulfilled desire. I work through the seams and burn you in fire.
What's up, cows?
I cursed all the kings with devils in their bones. Killed all the time without what no one knows. Broken bones grow old. Look back, let go. The best around.
Wake up, man.
I'm found.
Time to go kayaking.
You made me shine, and these feet of mine have walked to hell and back. And the weight of the world hanged on my shoulders. Put it on, wear it off. Much too young, much too tough. It is time, that's enough. But my brains are too touch, so I dream of gold, the cards I fold, the best around. I left unfound, up in my mind, you made me shine, but these feet of mine that walk to hell and back.
Pretty standard living situation of whitewater paddlers.
Whitewater kayaking has given me a lot. I'm thankful for all the friends I've made, lessons I've learned, and amazing places I've traveled while in the pursuit of my passion. As I move out of my car and into city life in the Pacific Northwest, the road will continue to call for me. It will always be worth it to get out there.